Shopney Dropshipping Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to the platform and helpful resources are included in the description below. In this video, I'll give you a complete breakdown of Shopney for dropshipping, covering its features, strengths, weaknesses, and who it's best suited for. Let's get straight to it. Shopney is a mobile app builder designed for Shopify stores, including those that operate in the dropshipping space. It allows Shopify store owners to create fully customizable mobile apps without coding. As mobile commerce continues to grow, Shopney enables you to tap into this trend by offering a seamless shopping experience for customers on iOS and Android devices. With features like real-time syncing with your Shopify store, push notifications, and customizable design templates, Shopney is an excellent tool for dropshippers looking to stand out and increase conversions. One of the key strengths of Shopney is its focus on mobile optimization. The platform makes it easy to build a branded app that integrates directly with your Shopify store, ensuring that inventory, orders, and customer data are synced in real time. This means you don't have to worry about manual updates or inconsistencies. Another standout feature is the ability to send personalized push notifications, which can significantly boost customer engagement and drive sales. Shopney also offers multi-language support, making it suitable for dropshippers targeting global audiences. Its drag-and-drop editor is user-friendly, allowing you to design a professional-looking app in minutes. However, Shopney does have some weaknesses. It's limited to Shopify, so if you're using another e-commerce platform, this tool won't work for you. Additionally, while the design options are customizable, they might feel somewhat restrictive for users looking for highly advanced or unique app designs. The pricing structure is another consideration. While it's reasonable for established businesses, smaller dropshippers or beginners might find it challenging to justify the expense, especially since app development isn't always a top priority for early-stage stores. Shopney is best suited for Shopify dropshippers who want to enhance their mobile shopping experience and boost customer loyalty. It's an excellent choice for stores with a consistent customer base or those looking to scale by creating a stronger mobile presence. However, if you're new to dropshipping or don't have a Shopify store, this tool won't be the right fit for you. That's the full review of Shopney for dropshipping. If you're ready to give it a try, check out the links in the description for more details. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more e-commerce and dropshipping reviews.